This video is sponsored by TrackMotive. 4 great lines, 1 great company. Visit trackmotive.com for more information.
When you have to replace a window regulator, it's not as easy as bolting in a brand new window regulator. You have to deal with trim, electrical, and other components on the vehicle. So here's 8 tips that can help you out the next time you have to replace a window regulator. For tip number 1, make sure you're checking the window track and also how the window goes up and down. Make sure you're inspecting the complete track to make sure it's not dirty, damaged, or otherwise obstructed. Before you get ready to install that new window regulator, you first need to make sure that you first clean and then lubricate the track that the window will go into. This way, you're not going to be damaging the window or the brand new regulator. Before you install the window regulator, make sure you're using a liberal amount of grease on the sliders themselves. This way, the window is going to operate smoothly for a very, very long time. You don't want to use a metal pry bar to either remove the door panel or the window regulator. Make sure that you're using plastic tools that will not mar the finish in either the trim components or inside the door. Before you take the regulator out of the door, make sure you're securing the window with either masking tape that won't leave residue either on the window or the door frame, or a specialty window holding tool. Even before you get ready to tear off the door panel, make sure as part of your estimate for the window regulator, you include the hardware that secures the door panel to the door itself. A lot of these items are now becoming a one-time use item. Once they're broken apart, well, they're going to fail and you'll have a loose door panel and the customer is not going to like that. Before you put the door panel back on, make sure you check the alignment of the window and the tracks and also inside the door to make sure everything is aligned and moving smoothly. If you see a vehicle with window tinting, just remember that window tint adds 1.5 mils to the overall thickness of the glass. This extra thickness may cause stress and strain on the window regulator and even the motor as it has to push this through the tracks. So there you have it, 8 simple tips to help you on your next window regulator job, not only to make it more efficient, but more profitable. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.